Hi everyone, welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 15, we're going to teach you how to use the continuous measurement in CADReader. First and foremost, set the scale before taking measurements to ensure the data is accurate. Once confirmed, we will begin today's lesson. Open a drawing in CADReader. Now open the toolbar and select continuous measure. Start by selecting the straight line you want to measure. Capture the entire line. Next, select another line. Right-click and choose the location where you want to display the measurement results. Left-click to confirm, then right-click again to finish. You can also measure straight lines and arcs together. Again, first select the straight line to be measured and capture the entire line. Before capturing the arc, find the intersection point between the arc and the straight line. Select the intersection point, then move the cursor on the arc. When the cursor changes into a square, it means the arc can be captured. Click the entire arc to continue capturing the measurement. If you encounter a measurement error during the process, simply press the spacebar to return to the previous line. Secondly, after the measurement is complete, we can also view the segment length. Click Toolbar, Measurement, Section Length, and then click on the line, segment, or arc you just measured. As shown in the video, you'll be able to clearly see the length of each individual segment. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.